Hey sweeties, here I am, time for another unboxing. I'm so excited. So we just received delivery of a brand new product from Hot Chocolate Design, the Hot Chocolate Design wallets. So we got 5 different beautiful designs here, and I'm gonna unbox one and then show you the other 4. So we're gonna start with, first of all, this incredible packaging. I literally got goosebumps yesterday when we received them. They're like Wonka bars or something. They are so super adorably cute. It's got the care instructions on the back, so you can see it says laundry. So this is how to take care of them if they get a bit smudged or messy while you're using them, as wallets have a tendency to do on occasion. So there's all those instructions on the back. The front, of course, says Hot Chocolate Design. And yeah, it comes in a little plastic sealed bag here. So I'll take it right out of there. So you can see on the end there, it does say the style name. So this one is Patilla or watermelon. So I'll give you a look. As you can see just at the top there, there's a little spot for you to pop the top open. It's not super easy to do, I'm not gonna lie, but it's so worth it. The payoff of opening it from this little chocolate box is, oh, I love it. So you just open up the end like so, and then, oh my beautifulness. Okay, so you slide it out. It's lovingly wrapped in a little bit of tissue to keep it safe. Bit of tape, so I'm just gonna pop that open. All right, so this, as I mentioned, is Patilla or watermelon. Just so rich and beautiful, the colors. It's even got the little, like you'd find at the supermarket, the sticker that they scan at the checkout. It's so cute. It says Hot Chocolate Design on it. It's got their little logo. So both sides of this one show the inside of the watermelon, but then when you open it up, look at that. Stunning. So rich and colorful and just absolutely beautiful. And then the inside, as you can see here, there's 14 slots for cards there, along with one that's got a window for your driver's license or photo ID. And then you've got 2 compartments for notes or receipts. Oh, there's the little silica gel. See, silica gel, I tell you guys, it follows me everywhere. And then in the middle of the cash section, you've also got your spot for coins. Nice and secure there with the zipper so they don't fall out all over the place. And there's also a little extra tab in the middle for a pen or lip liner. Or whatever skinnier thing you'd like to do. You can put a little brush in there, you know, makeup brush. Okay, so my phone, I have a iPhone 11, and my phone fits beautifully in the cash section there, and then you can close it and zip it up and carry it as a clutch because it's very generously sized. And of course gorgeous, and who wouldn't want to show it off? It's almost a shame to put it inside a handbag, although on the note of handbags, I will let you guys know that next year in 2020, we are intending and hoping and praying that we're going to be able to bring the Hot Chocolate Design tote bags to Australia for you guys. In many, many, many different iterations. They've been released in a few other countries around the world, but as yet not in Australia. So we are working with Hot Chocolate Design to get those here for us. So keep your eyes peeled for that. So that's Patilla, aka watermelon. And next we have Ladybug. So Ladybug was my 4th ever pair, I think, or maybe 5th. So I love this pattern. I love black and red. It's kind of my signature. I'm pretty much always wearing black and red, except when I'm not. Anywho, cute little ladybug on one side, a little bit of the polka dots on the other, and then it leads into the full polka dot side on the back. It's texturally feels the same as your shoes. So this is a sort of a brushed canvas finish. So the same sort of cleaning that we use for our shoes can apply, except I probably wouldn't put this one through the washing machine just because some of the components might not dry properly and we wouldn't want them to rust. So the lining on this one is black, again with the signature brown chocolate sort of harlequin diamond pattern on the inside there. And yeah, you've got your zip coin, your two sections for notes or receipts and whatnot. And then they all come with this certificate of authenticity, which, there we go. I'm too blind to read, but it does guarantee you that this is an official product licensed by Hot Chocolate Design. And we, of course, are the authorized official wholesaler and distributor here in Australia. So thankfully now we get to choose what comes in and yeah, work directly with the company to decide what comes into Australia. So that's very exciting. Next, drugstore. This is a top selling shoe for us, 100%. Was released in 2018, I believe, late 2018. And we've had 3 deliveries of it so far, almost all of which have sold out. Luckily, we have one in stock, one delivery, the most recent one in stock right now. So if you've missed out on drugstore and you want to get this to match your new wallet, there'll be a link in comments to the website, popandcandy.com.au. You can grab the shoes and the wallet together if you like as a combo. The wallets are $75 plus shipping and handling here in Australia. Again, we have a black lining. This beautiful design is meant to have sort of an antique finish. So it's got this sort of mint green patina color around the edging and just in the highlight in the artwork there. So I'll let you see, that's the Poison side. And then the other side, to match the mismatched nature of this pair of shoes, has the Remedy on the other side. Just the detail in here is exquisite. So you guys check this out when you get it and really have a good look, because they've just added so much wonderfulness to that pattern and all the patterns that they do design. Next we have Bon Voyage. Super colorful, really rich. I remember when I was in school and we used to have to do like coloring in for maps and things, and I always used to do this sort of darker edge. So this one's a little bit nostalgic for me, nostalgic for me, reminding me of my school days when I used to color in the maps in geography class. And coincidentally, on this particular wallet, we have actually cut off my home state. On the shoes, on some of the larger pairs, my home state of Maine in the U.S., that's my Maine girl t-shirt that I'm wearing today. My home state of Maine in the U.S. often makes it onto the shoe, but didn't make it onto the wallet. But the whole of New England, the region that I'm from, the rest of it's pretty much there. So you can check that out when you get it. And then just like on the shoe, if you look closely just there, that is Venezuela, Caracas. That is where Hot Chocolate Design headquarters was originally founded and originally released. It's been 15 years now, I think, since they started up in Venezuela. Now their headquarters are in Mexico City, just because there's been unfortunately a bit of unrest in Venezuela. So to keep everybody safe, they have moved to Mexico City now. But Venezuela always in our hearts, so definitely. And then we've got the UK and Europe, Russia, and just beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. I think Northern Africa's on there too, maybe. Anyway, beautiful, gorgeous, guys. So check it out. The lining on this one, oops, sorry, that was slightly caught on its lining there. So green lining inside there, again with a certificate of authenticity. It's so nice and large in here. There's so many. Oh, there's also an extra secret compartment for notes. I forgot to show you before. So that's your shoe stash right there in the inside lining. But yeah, very generous sizing on these wallets. You'll fit so much in here, and really useful. Last but not least, my favorite. This is my second ever pair of shoes. My first, in case you're wondering or keeping track at home, is the Blue Cherry. So I had those they were the first pair that I ever discovered of Hot Chocolate Design, and now I'm on to my second pair because I've worn them through after 6 years, so pretty good. Awesome. So there's the tattoo design. That's this beautiful pinup chick on the front. I've named her Ginger. So that's Ginger on the front with the sugar skull and the diamond. It's all sort of old school American tattoo flash, cherry blossoms, and then on the back we have the love heart with the little hot banner because you'll be smoking when you carry this beautiful wallet. And then you've got the swallows and more cherry blossoms with this beautiful sort of butter yellow background. It's absolutely stunning, just like the shoes, which are another one of my absolute favorites. So again, black lining, complementary to the edging around the shoe and the wallet. So around the edges there, it's black. And yeah, super easy to use, really handy, nice and slimline, but with a decent size so you can pop your phone, maybe even your keys if you don't have a huge key fob like I do. And yeah, just absolutely beautiful as always from Hot Chocolate Design. I'll give you another quick look. I don't know if I can hold all 5 of them in my little hands, but I'm gonna try. Down. I knew that was going to happen. Well, we had a good look at tattoo. There's 4. 1 second. Ta-da! And 5. So there's the 5 brand new wallets from Hot Chocolate Design via Poppin' Candy. Make sure you like and subscribe for any sales and specials and unboxings and details of fun things that we're doing here at Poppin' Candy. So please do like and subscribe. Feel free to do comments and all of that kind of stuff. Sign up for notifications and make sure you don't miss any fun. Thanks, guys. Mwah. Bye.